Good morning! It's our second day here in Paris and we just finished dressing up and we are going to try riding the bus since the Navigo card also is applicable for buses and the metro. So a lot of types of transportation you can get on with the Navigo card like the trams as well. We are going to Sacre Couer or what I believe is the Sacred Heart Church in the area of Montmartre. So see you there. So we have this app, it's called Bonjour or ATP, and it can show you the route that you should take if you want to go to some place. Like for us, we want to go to Anvers because that's the nearest stop to the funicular, or Sacre Couer. And from our current location, we have so many options. So we'll take this one because it's very straightforward, just one line and then we will walk. Will take a little longer than the others, but there's disrupted traffic there. So we will walk towards this direction and cross the street. So this is our breakfast. It's 11.1 euros and we got water with that, and my dad got a sandwich with some meat. So this is the so I believe this is the grilled palm and I will taste it. It's a bit crunchy, but it feels like there's, I don't know what this is. Like syrup? I cannot explain, but it's okay. It's nice to walk in this area. The sidewalks are pretty wide and we're going to go to the bus stop for bus 38, which will lead us to where we're going, which is the Anvers station. We tried our first public toilet experience. We had our first public toilet experience. It's a free toilet in the middle of two roads. And then these are the souvenirs. So this is how it works. Right now there's someone inside, so the light for occupied is on, it's yellow. Then after, the person will leave and then the door will close again, and then it will go through the wash cycle and the blue light will turn on, and then it will open once it's done, and then it will be vacant. So you press it to go inside and it will open, you enter, and then once it closes it's already occupied. We are here in the Sacre Couer Basilica. It's so high. So we will look for the train that goes upwards. This railing is full of locks, and this is the wonderful view that you get once you go up to the funicular. The basilica is so pretty far, but it's definitely not as far as it was when we were still there. So, wow, it's a beautiful view. This is the inside of the Sacre Couer Basilica. It's very big. This is a 10-euro candle. You can put it anywhere in your shirt. You will put it inside.
you're nice.
Yeah.
But and for you.
Thank you so much.
And your crepe is coming.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
And this is my food. It's a crepe with caramel. I have some Coke. I noticed their Cokes are mostly served with lemons. We're here in rooftop Montmartre. The Sacre Couer Basilica is there. We just went down some steps, and after this we'll go down to the perpendicular, which is a very steep train, like a tiny train, and you can access it with the Navigo card. So the Navigo card is already very convenient, and if you're staying here for quite some time, they have different packages. They have a year package, a week package. So for us, since we're leaving on Sunday, the week package starts from Monday this Sunday. So that's what we availed of, and luckily it's perfect for our time slot. We are walking along the streets of Montmartre. There's a museum. There's a lot of ice cream here. There are a lot of pigeons as well. And some small shops. So in Paris, there are so many shops that are very tiny in width but are deeper than they look. So they get a lot of space but not a lot of front space. We are here in the ice cream shop, and the ice cream is very big. There's a very cute shop called Pylons. These are Eiffel Tower toothbrushes. This is what the road looks like. A lot of cafes and some shops. They're pretty. Filipino mga nandito. Salamat po. Hindi namin narinig, kuya. Pasensya na.
Ano sinabi mo?
Hello po. Kuya, ito yung vlog ko. So, in France or in Europe, I hear that you should be bringing your own shopping bags because they don't give you bags to put your things in. So, I brought this feel-good bag, and when I brought it out, the French personnel in the souvenir shop said, "Nice bag," and I'm so touched because it's a feelgood.co product. So please support our launch of the tote bags, and I will put the link of our shop in the description. May sariling version itong recto nila dito. Recto verso.
So right now we're at Moulin Rouge, and there are no shows ongoing, but it starts at 7 p.m., which is pretty near from now. It's 6:18 and it's until 11 p.m. It's an 11 p.m. show, and you can choose if you can buy a ticket with drinks or without drinks, and there's another option. And tickets are at 125 euros each for their next show, which is on Monday evening at 11 p.m. So unfortunately, we won't be here anymore. We'll be in Bourges by then. So we won't get to watch the show, but at least we were able to see the landscape and we saw it in a lot of people.
We are now in Pigalle, and it's full of nightclubs and nightlife shops. So this is our dinner for today. It's 9:50 p.m. and we have our own water. We got the water for cheap this time.
There's no more ice.
So these are XXL ribs, and then we have chicken wings and calamari. So I think this is American restaurant. It's called Indiana, and I hope the food is good.